In this video, I'll show you how to get help whenever you need it in ClientBranch. Everything starts with the help link in your sidebar. Let's open it. This is your help center. At the top, you get two quick options. Getting started has a welcome video and your setup checklist, and contact support puts you straight through to our team. Below that, we keep step-by-step guides for every part of the platform, sorted into simple categories, so you can teach yourself any feature at your own pace. Say you want to learn how something works. Just click any guide, like this one on contacts. And you get a clear, written walkthrough you can follow along with related guides linked at the bottom so you can keep learning. Now, if you can't find what you need, reaching a real person is just as easy. Let's head back and click Contact Support. This is where you raise a request and track every reply, all in one place. Your name, account, and email are already filled in for you, so you just add a reason for getting in touch. Then tell us what you need help with. The more detail you give, the faster we can sort it for you. When you're ready, click Submit Request. And that's it. Your ticket is created, and our team replies right here in your help center and by email, so the whole conversation stays in one tidy place. Let's head back to your support page for a second. Every request you've ever raised lives right here, each with its own status. You can see at a glance what's still open and what our team has already answered. Open any ticket and the full conversation is right there. Our replies are highlighted in gold, and you can jump back in and reply anytime to keep it going. So that's how you get help in ClientBranch. Self-serve guides whenever you want to learn something new, and friendly support just a click away whenever you need us.